There's growing concern over the arrest of a supposed Chinese spy near the COMELEC headquarters. More than possible interference in the upcoming elections, Malacanang and lawmakers believe this is now a national security issue. Camille Samonte has tonight's big story.
An NBI operation last Sunday supposedly caught Chinese national Tak Hoi Lao red-handed. He was arrested near the COMELEC headquarters in Intramuros, Manila, and in his car were hot items. There was an international mobile subscriber identity or IMSI catcher that can gather sensitive data and information like text messages, mobile numbers, and calls from mobile phones near it. There were also cell phones, SIM cards, and other gadgets. On Wednesday, Tak underwent inquest before the Department of Justice. He is being charged for violation of the Espionage Act of 1941, as well as misuse of devices and illegal interception and system interference under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Tak has since denied all these allegations. But for Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, Tak's presence near the COMELEC office validates the findings of last week's Senate inquiry, which exposed efforts by China to meddle in the May elections.
Ang gusto nila manalo yung pro-China candidates. Ang gusto nila ma-repeal yung Maritime Zones Law. Ang gusto nila bumaba yung depensa natin at makuha nila ang Pilipinas at maging probinsya tayo ng China.
For Senator Risa Hontiveros, the arrest of the alleged Chinese spy is deeply concerning, not just for the upcoming elections, but also for our national security. Hontiveros went on to say that if Tak is indeed involved in espionage, this will have serious implications on the already fragile relationship between Manila and Beijing. The palace, for its part, said it will defer to the Defense Department to summon Chinese Ambassador Wang Zelian on this matter.
That is an issue of national security, so we will just leave it at that. We will leave it at that, and we will just have an investigation, thorough investigation on that matter.
The NBI believes the suspect could have been intercepting data to and from COMELEC before he was arrested, but the poll body assured there is no election data in its headquarters.
Kung ang impormasyon na gusto nila makuha ay sa cellphone, sa text, o yung mga tawag, anong purpose? Para po magamit laban sa bawat isa? Para po gamitin para sa mind conditioning, yan po yung gusto namin pong alamin. And therefore, maghihintay po kami ng report ng NBI sa kung pagkatapos nila magkaroon ng lab test o ng examination nung nakuha ng mga equipment.
Just to be sure, COMELEC conducted a test and found that its system was not compromised. As for the arrested Chinese national, he remains in custody of the NBI. For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.